Good evening, it's August 11th, Tuesday, August 11th, 2009. I'm Da Vinci. Today I'm going to be discussing the other side of the trade. I recently saw a video of Bob Prechter discussing his belief that gold and silver will be heading down, has a further downside for the next several months, meaning probably till the end of the year or so. And I'd like to rebuttal that opinion. Now, I've looked into Elliott wave, and what I found that Elliott wave theory is basing its information, its theory based on that paper money is real, and I have to agree that paper money is real to a point, meaning that it's real because people believe it is. But the problem is that what it doesn't take into account is that there's so much money out there because there's potentially an unlimited supply, and because you could just create as much as you want out of nothing. Thus, a lot of banks, central banks, a lot of governments, a lot of people around the world are loaded with dollars, and eventually they can't just hold on to just dollars. So they tend to end up speculating, or they start to buy things that are real and tangible. With that said, I do tend to agree with Bob Pratcher's assessment on silver and gold short term. Basically, silver is seeing lower highs. And for example, it started off, the last high was $21. Then we went to 16 and 15. So we are seeing a trend downward, sort of, but and in gold we are seeing that there's a lot of speculation from the gold bugs in the gold community out there that we should see a gold at 1,300, 1,200, 1,500, whatever, and that is truly bearish on gold. So expect to see a short correction. But I think the correction should be short-lived. I think from September on we should see gold and silver start to move in a northerly direction. I base this information on the fact that that the dollar is a weak currency, and there's no support, there's no fundamental support for the dollar, um, and also the banks are not insolvent. They're flush with cash. I should show you some charts on that because that's interesting. They're no longer in a hurting position, but there are a lot of other banks than the major ones that have uh, very little capital and will be shut down. So it's going to be an interesting time coming in October and so forth, where the market's going to go. Who knows? With all the cash out there, I believe the market might just continue upward, and and you'll see your huge nominal gains, but your actual value will decrease, meaning you'll see uh, uh, the stock market crash when you compare it to other commodities and the things that you can buy, when you divide it by things you can buy. So we should see some sort of crash like that, I believe, personally. Now, if you guys have read any interesting stories that from anyone who has written or done a video about silver and gold crashing, please share it with me. I'd like to go over it, read the data, see if they have any good information that might be true. All right. Well, thanks for watching my video.